It's very important to practice mock test and previous year question papers from the official NTA website. The NTA provide free access to past papers and mock tests in UGC Net portal. These mock tests or previous year question paper will help us to understand exam patterns and difficulty level. It will identify the important topics and very importantly it will improve the time management and accuracy. Today I will show you how to go the official NTA Net website. Firstly, we will go to the Google and we will type the mock test paper from UGC official website. To find the previous year question papers and mock tests, we will scroll it down for NTA websites. Here we will click on NTA website. You can choose the exam you would like to appear. Here you will choose UGC Net, and for the subject we will choose our subject computer science and application. After selecting the subject and our question paper, we will log in here and we will see all the instruction as the real question paper. We will take it and proceed for the mock test question paper. Here you can see exactly as the real life question paper. We can see the questions. It's save and next button, clear button, and save and mark for review button, and we can see the blue button mark for review and next. The red will show the not visited, green will show answer, and the purple question mark will show the answer and mark for review on letter fields. As you can see that this is the exact question paper pattern as UGC gave us for our UGC Net JRF, and we can check and correct the questions again which are purple in color. After reviewing it, we can start practicing mock test exactly like the real exam. You can attempt questions, it will be green, mark for review it will be purple, and red for unattempted. Here you can see the timer as well. At the end you can see the exam summary, and if you want to submit then you can submit your question paper. Are you sure to submit this question paper? After clicking the submit button, you can see the how many you have attempted, the total questions, total attempted, correct question, incorrect questions. Thank you.